Let's start this Wednesday off right, and what better way to do it than a 2024 Bentley Continental GT. This is in for our good friend Ed Barbish. We are doing a full PPF wrap on this, ceramic coating, windshield protection, everything to protect this car so he can enjoy it and not have to worry about getting damaged. Over in the PPF bay, we got Caleb slapping some rockers down. This Jeep is actually from Hillview Motors. Customer had their old Jeep and they traded it in. And when she traded in, she noticed that the rockers in the back door got beat up really bad from rocks. So before she purchased her new one, Hillview brought it over to us. We're doing the rocker kit, which is gonna be the whole way at the bottom of this, up to this door line, the whole way back. And then for added protection, she added the full door as well. So she knew where damage was on her old Jeep. Now she's protecting it the right way. We're not gonna have to worry about any kind of damage to her brand new car. Max got this beautiful green ZR1 in here. He is finishing the wrap. We did the rear paint protection film wrap on this, and then we went to the auto show with it. Now we're stripping off the front. That got done at another shop, and we're just redoing it to our liking so it looks perfect before he hits the road in the spring. Over in the ceramic bay, we have a 1933 Terraplane. This car has some connections to John Dillinger. Customer goes to a lot of car shows with this, and from improper washing and just years and years of abuse, the paint's kind of beat up, so we have it in here for a full polish. We're gonna get all that micro scratching out of there, make this thing look like a mirror finish so it's ready for its next car show to get first place. And then in the ceramic bay, we got our boy Lopez slowing down this polish on this Dodge Ram RHO. So it has like the TRX package, but I guess it's a V6 twin turbo instead of the big V8. Jimmy's doing his thing. We're gonna polish all of this, and then we're gonna add a ceramic coating to this. So that's all the paint, plastic, and wheels is gonna get coated and protected so this customer can rip down the road without any worries. In the wash bay, we got Damari cleaning the boss's truck because he always likes to stay nice and clean. That's actually getting ready for a full stealth wrap. So it's got this big, beautiful Ram that's a gloss black. We're gonna put our satin paint protection film on it. So it's gonna change that gloss finish to a matte finish and make them stand out and look different from the rest. Over in the tint bay, we got some action. We have our guys that are training for our Washington store. They are practicing shrinking windows on the back of this Toyota Corolla. And then right beside it, we actually have another customer car. This is a 2026 Corolla. We are doing full XR tint plus the XR visor on the windshield. So it's gonna make the customer's car look absolutely great with that those black windows, but also add protection and stop the sun and the heat from coming in, keep it cooler and safe inside. Coming outside, we have this beautiful brand new R8. This is our good friend Tony. This already had some paint protection film on it. We saw some things we don't like, so we're just touching it up and adding our final touch to it to make everything perfect. We stripped the front two windows just because it wasn't done to our standards, and we're re-tinting the two fronts as well, so he's ready to go. Then beside us, this big GMC truck. We did tint all the way around on this. That's just waiting for the customer to pick up. Beside the truck, we got another skid steer from our good friend Barbish. We're gonna add the ceramic tint to that to keep the interior a little bit cooler and help those guys out in the summer when they're working hard. Then beside the skid steer, we got this Mustang. This just got a full polish and coating along with the track package for PPF. So the full front plus the rockers are protected with paint protection film, and then we added a 4-year coating on top of that. So all the paint, plastics, and windows is protected and ready to go. Beside that is a Jeep Gladiator. We are doing the full front with paint protection film on that, plus the rear fender flares because they do get beat up from those big tires, and then we are gonna add a ceramic coating to that as well. And the Ram beside it, that's from Laurel Valley. They were doing some body work on that truck and they damaged one of the windows, so we're just retinting a window for them before it goes back to the customer. Then down at the bottom of the lot, we got this big brand new Ram 3500. The guys did their thing and washed and prepped it already. It's next to go into ceramic to get a ceramic coating, get the wheels and everything done so it looks perfect before it goes back to the customer on Friday. Let's check out what's going on at Gibsonia and send it over to my boy Luke.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look right at our Gibsonia shop. First up, we have a completed ceramic coating. This Volkswagen Golf R got a full paint correction and an 8-year coating on the entire wheels, body, and glass. Next up is another completed job. This one an Audi Q3. This got a paint protection film package on the entire front clip, bumper, hood, fenders, fender flares, and mirrors. Next up is a completed job here. This is a G-Wagon, obviously. We protected the entire body in XPEL Stealth paint protection film. We tinted the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR line of tint, and we did an 8-year coating on the entire vehicle. Over here in the works, in the ceramic coating bay, is this Toyota 4Runner. We're currently polishing out the vehicle. Once Mark does the paint correction, it's going to head over to the PPF bay and get a full front clip PPF package. And then it's going to head back over here to get a additional step of paint correction and an 8-year ceramic coating. In the tint bay is another G-Wagon here. Before this gets the PPF and coating, we are tinting the windows 15% on the 2 front doors, 70% on the back section. And this is getting a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap on the entire body, plus the wooden floor in the back is also getting PPF. Once the PPF is done, it's going to head over to the Marks Bay to get a full 8-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Back in the back, we got a Range Rover here for a full stealth wrap. These vehicles typically get a 2-tone look. The bottom half of the vehicle gets stealth, top half gets Ultimate Plus. This customer wants the entire thing stealth. So body, window trim, handles, you name it, it's all getting stealth. We have tinted the windows on this vehicle, the back section of 5%. And once these guys are done back here, Mark will get his hands on it for a full interior and exterior ceramic coating.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
In the tint bay, we have this Honda HR-V that was in for a full front paint protection film install, 2 front windows in our XR Black, and now it's receiving a 4-year fusion coating on the entire vehicle, including the wheels. In the PPF bay, we have David working on the Z06. It is in for a track pack paint protection film and a 4-year ceramic coating. In the other side of the shop, we have this Ferrari Purosangue. It's in for a full front paint protection film, XR Plus window tint all around, and a custom stripe down the middle of the hood. Windows are tinted in our 55% XR Plus all the way around.
Hi guys, Sakayla checking in. Let me show you what we have today. Getting started this morning with a 2026 AMG CLE convertible. She is getting our XR Plus film all the way around and complete with a front windshield. We also did her husband's truck just last weekend, so it's really nice to see them out here together. Up next, we have a 2020 Corvette C8 coming in for a front windshield. This client was looking for mainly privacy purposes, but also benefiting from the heat rejection properties. So they're getting 55% in our XR Plus film. I'd also like to introduce you guys to our newest team member, Mike. He's absolutely crushing it on this Wagoneer. They're getting 5% all the way around, mainly looking for privacy as well as the heat rejection. We're finishing off our day today with this absolutely beautiful Corvette E-Ray coming in for a full tint as well as a windshield. This client's mainly looking for privacy purposes, but when we talked about the heat rejection, he wanted to factor that in as well, so he opted to take advantage of the 15% off we are doing on our XR Plus series. And if you thought it looked good before, it looks absolutely incredible now. That's all I have for this week. We'll see you next Wednesday. Bye!